welcome to my channel. Today I'm unboxing my Ipsy Ultimate. I received the original Ipsy Ultimate box back in October, whatever their first one was, and I wasn't as disappointed as everybody else, but I wasn't totally impressed, so I've actually put it on hold the past couple months, and then I saw the bags and I was like, okay, I have to get it just for that bag. And then someone told me you could actually add the bag on to one of your other boxes, and I probably would have done that, but let's just open this up. And I know I've peeked a little bit. I can't remember exactly what's in it. I know I was happy with some, and I remember a couple I was like, oh, whatever. But let's just see what there is. Let's open it up. I don't have a box to review for past because it was October, and last month in December I actually reviewed those products in a video that I didn't end up posting because my makeup was horrible. So let's just jump into the unboxing. First we get this nice box bag, which I just think is so pretty. I can't wait to use it. So this is a reason why I picked or wanted to get this month's bag, which actually I've already seen February's, and I kind of want that one too. So, all right, let me get out my card, and it looks like they now include prices, which is great. So let me start with the first product. This is from Hey Honey, Take Away the Drama. By the way, I'll keep a running total here of how much everything will accumulate to the cost. I actually tried this years ago and didn't really care for it, but again, my skin has changed over the years, so I'm definitely excited to try this again. It's a peel-off mask, which I think can feel really good, especially if you have dry skin, because it can kind of exfoliate as it pulls off. But again, if I don't use it, my girls will, so this will definitely get used. This is a full-size item, and it retails for $49, so alone this pays for the box. All right, let me take that out. Okay, the next product is, I am super excited about this. It is the Balms Meet Matrimony palette. I have actually always wanted this palette and just never bought it. I never go onto the Balms website, which is probably what the problem is. And I haven't been a huge fan of their eyeshadows in the past, but I know like Emily Noel loves them, so I really am glad to give this a try. It's been years since I've tried their palettes out. I love their highlighter. That's the only thing I've really ever used over the past few years. But this is a full-size item, retails for $42. They're all matte. I am so excited. I cannot wait. These are like colors that I will definitely wear every day. I think this will be a good palette that I will get use out of, especially if I like how it works or how it goes on my face. So very excited to have that. All right, the next product, which people were really upset to receive, and I guess this was in everybody's box, so I don't know for sure, but it seems that everyone that's gotten it has been like, didn't like it. I think it sounds good. It is This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. I enjoy pillow sprays. I don't always use them. I kind of forget to use them most of the time, but I do like them when I've actually used them. So it's kind of a weird bottle. It's like a plasticky, do you shake it? It says perfect for traveling. Mist on your pillow and make your Airbnb or hotel room totally spa-like before bed. This is a full-size item, retails for $29, which I don't think I would pay that. Oh, it smells definitely lavendery, which I love lavender, but if you don't, you will not like this. Which makes sense because it says for sleep, so usually lavender is in the sleep stuff. So anyways, I like it. I mean, would I have picked it? Probably not, but I'll use it, or my girls will. The next product that we got is from Ahava Essential Day Moisturizer, because you know I needed another moisturizer. I've received, I think, one in every box for the past 2 months. But this retails for $67. Really? That is a lot. Is that normal? I'm gonna go look on Ipsy. I'll let you know what I find. Not Ipsy, I'm gonna go look on Ulta, because I know they sell it. I think they sell it. I'm gonna look and see if that's normal price, because that just seems really high for this. I don't know. I do like the hand cream of this brand. Is so good. I don't know if I've tried. I mean, this bottle looks very familiar. An Ipsy exclusive. So I guess I haven't tried it before. But It's a moisturizer. You know, even if I don't use it on my face, it says you can use it on your neck and your chest before bed. So I'll try it. It's kind of a boring product, but at least I'll use it, so. All right, the next product we got is from Flesh. Don't people hate this word? I think that people don't like this word. I know what moist is one, but I think this is another word people don't like. Full size, and is $18. Wait, this is full size. It's so little, I don't know. I don't think I got the best color for me. I think it is a little bit too dark, but it is very beautiful. It just has, it's very gold. Gold doesn't really work for me. I have very fair skin. It will make me look kind of orange, but I probably could use this on my eyes maybe. I don't know. But yeah, mine's in the color Twitch. So that, I'm kind of bummed only because it's just not a good color. I know some people got some lighter colors that I probably would have preferred, but that's all right. I mean, I'll try it and we'll see. I could be pleasantly surprised. I have been in the past when I've said I don't like a product or it won't work for my skin, and I really loved it. So you never know. The next thing that I got is from Tarte. It's the Tarteist Lip Paint in the color Cis, which is again another like vampy red, which we got in our Allure box last month. I'm trying to see where I should put the box. Okay, let me, yeah, it's very vampy. I see, why can't I get a nude? I get all these reds and these colors that, I mean, I may wear it once a year, but not, I want colors that I'll wear every day, or that I could wear every day, you know? Like, I'm tired of getting these reds, but I will try it. I know I haven't in the past I haven't liked this formula very much, but I haven't tried it in a few years, so I mean, I may like it, so. By Sweet Chef Kale and Vitamin B Shot Serum. This actually looks really neat. I love getting serums. I absolutely love serums and eye creams. They're like my favorite thing to receive. And it looks really nice. This is full size, $20, which is definitely, I like the price. It's not too much, but ooh, it smells kind of like, I say ooh, but it's more like ooh, not ew. It smells like, it reminds me of something. It doesn't smell like kale, which my husband would be happy about that because he hates kale. I love it, but, well, I like kale chips. Like if you make like you dry it in the oven. So good. But anyways, this is supposed to hydrate and soothe your skin. Like I said, full size is $20, so I'll definitely try that out. I'm sure it will be very good. It doesn't claim anything besides hydration, and usually serums are hydrating, so I'm sure it will be fine. The next thing that I got is from Than Eaton Breeze Body Butter. It's a lot of lotions this time, right? I mean, I guess 2, but I don't know. This seems like a lot of lotion. I don't really care to receive lotion, but that's just me. Let me smell it. This is also says it is full size, retails for $19. It says apply to damp skin. Ooh. Ooh, it has jasmine in it. Ooh, I like the smell. I do like it. See, I just complained and now I like it. It feels really good. I am actually very excited for that. I love anything with jasmine in it. It's one of my favorite smells. All right. What product did I choose? Now I'm curious. Let me look. It doesn't say I chose any of them, and I thought you choose. Maybe I didn't. All right, doesn't matter. Let's move on. So the next thing in my box is a brush from Farah Brushes. It is the face brush, and it retails for $12. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love the marbled handle. It feels nice. Definitely needs to be cleaned, I think, but I like getting brushes. I know most people don't really like Farah brushes. I didn't have any problem with them last time we got them in October. So retails for 12 bucks. That is considered full size. The next thing I got is from Essenher, I don't know, Tea Tree 90 toner and a toner pad. So is it like one pad? This is a deluxe sample. It retails for $38 for the full size, which sounds silly. Okay, is this one use? Let's see. It says remove one toner pad from packet and white pad across the face. So how many is in here? Because it feels really thick. 20. It says there's 20 in here, I think. 20 each. I think there's 20 pads in here, which actually seems like a really good deluxe size sample. I thought it was gonna be one pad and I was kind of like, that's kind of silly. That's not deluxe. You can't tell if you like something using it once. I'm excited to try that now. Now I feel happy. Okay, the next product in my bag is a nail polish. This is one of the products that I was not excited about because I only wear Essie polishes. They're the only ones that like last on my nails. Plus I can store them all. They're the same size bottle. I'm OCD a little bit. Can you tell? But it's by Pretty Woman, which I love the movie, so that is good. The nail polish is in Don't Be Jelly, full size, $7.99, which is definitely a good price. Actually a little bit cheaper than Essie. So we'll have to see how it is. It is a very pretty color. Again, all these like dark red plum colors. I mean, I know it's considered so winter, so maybe that's why, but I mean, it's okay. A nude color would have been better for me, but I'm not gonna complain even though I just did. Okay, then the last product in my bag is also full size. It is from Avette. It is the Daily Fresh Squeeze Sheet Mask Duo. It is $8 for the set of them, so they're $4 each, which sounds probably is, oof, almost dropped it, which is believable. So that is good. Ooh, this one's lychee. I love this candy. This is the second time I've had this scent or product in my boxes, and I have talked about. This candy is so yummy. Go try it. And then this one is a coconut one. Coconut and lychee. Ooh, I love it. Store these in your fridge and they'll be extra cool and refreshing. I'm not a huge sheet mask user, but I do use them if I have them. I just don't ever like go out and purchase them myself. So that is okay. Anyways, it seems like a great value box. We didn't get much makeup, and I still don't understand why I didn't get to pick an item. Because I know I picked an item with my Ipsy Glam Plus box. My Ipsy Glam Plus box. But all these items, I'm excited to try them. There's not anything in here that I really won't use or won't try, so I'm happy. I don't know, it'll be interesting to see what my total is. I'm sure I'll be like, okay, I'm happy for 50 bucks. I know people are expecting way more. I think as long as I'm getting above the value that I pay, and I think we're promised up to $250. So we'll see if I hit that. But why does it say your 5 Glam Bag Ultimate Picks have arrived? I thought I was supposed to get 12, and I did, but why would it say 5? That's weird. But you're supposed to get over $250 worth of product, and I think I'm definitely sure we hit that. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you got. Did you get the same colors, same palette? I'd love to know. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.